Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best smart garage door opener that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MyQ Chamberlain Smart Garage Control, Wireless Garage Hub and Sensor. The Chamberlain MyQ Go401 is our top pick because it strikes the perfect balance between cost, features and simplicity. Unlike most smart garage controllers, the Chamberlain doesn't rely on a bird's nest worth of wires in order to run. The hub and door sensor are both wireless, save for the hub's power adapter, which makes installation a breeze. Thanks to the MyQ app and its in-depth video walkthroughs, it only took a few minutes to pair the hub to our garage door opener. The process is like connecting a standard garage door remote, and set up the controller. The Chamberlain was, by far, the easiest and quickest hub to install among the controllers we tested. Installing the Chamberlain's hub takes a little more work, since it needs a clean line of sight to the garage door opener. You can't tuck the MyQ behind a shelf or inside a cabinet. Fortunately, Chamberlain includes a handy mounting plate, complete with screws and drywall anchors, for the hub to streamline the installation process. Simply install the plate close to the nearest power outlet. Chamberlain recommends installing it at least 6 feet above the ground, though we had to install in a less than ideal space between shelves roughly 5 feet up the wall and encountered no issues. Screw the hub on and you'll be all set. Throughout our testing, Chamberlain's quick performance and simple app design really impressed us. The Chamberlain opened and closed our garage door in around 3 seconds, putting it right in line with our competing garage controllers. The hub's front LED light briefly flashes before it closes the door, giving your family an extra safeguard if you have kids or pets. The MyQ app conveniently lays major features like your access history and automatic door close scheduling right at the bottom of the screen. As with all of our evaluated controllers, you can remotely monitor your door status and close or open the door from the app. You can also add authorized garage users like your family or give limited access to guests like a handy person within the app. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Genie ALKT1R Smart Garage Door Opener Controller. Genie brings its name brand expertise in traditional garage door openers to the smart garage controller concept with the Aladdin Connect. The Aladdin can control up to 3 garage doors at once, and Genie includes everything you'd need for any installation setup out of the box. With the included accessories, ranging from wire clips to bolts and drywall anchors, you can install the hub up by your garage opener's mount or down near a door. The Aladdin Connect's hub can also be used as a standard garage control panel, thanks to its manual door buttons. The top section of the Connect has power and Wi-Fi status lights, while the bottom 3 buttons control each garage door. If you mount the hub down near ground level, you can get the best of both worlds: a normal garage control panel that also connects to your smart home. While we kept the hub up near the opener during our testing, Genie's included 25-foot wire spool means that you can run wire from the ceiling to the ground or wherever else you'd like to install and still have ample leftover wire for other openers. On the software side, the Aladdin Connect's app is just as full-featured as its hardware. Using the app's walkthroughs, we flew through the installation process and quickly connected the hub to our Wi-Fi network and the Aladdin's door sensor. The app is cleanly laid out, with a homepage that lists all your connected doors. The device setup section, which lists information including your Wi-Fi and sensor connection strength, was also a nice added touch. Wi-Fi connections can start to falter in your garage, and the app's Wi-Fi indicator makes it easy to see if your Aladdin and Wi-Fi router are forming a reliable connection. We had no Wi-Fi problems in our test area, an attached garage around 30 feet from the router, but would recommend adding a Wi-Fi extender if you're installing your controller in a detached garage that can't get a reliable Wi-Fi signal. At number 3, we have the iSmartGate Pro Smart Garage Door Opener Remote. At $179.99, the iSmartGate Pro definitely isn't the most affordable smart garage controller, but it offers a bevy of features for power users who know how to tinker with their smart home setup. On the outside, the iSmartGate has a clean, ring-like circular design that includes Wi-Fi, power and wall sensor sync indicators. On the side and back, you'll find a USB port and wire terminals for up to 3 garage door openers and sensors. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to secure or loosen the wire ports, and they're a minor inconvenience compared to the simpler push terminals found on competitors like the Genie Aladdin. Surprisingly, iSmartGate includes only 2 pieces of double-sided tape to secure the hub and door sensor. Although the iSmartGate's backside has a notch for a hanging screw, we would have preferred a more secure mounting solution considering the iSmartGate's premium price point. That said, we liked the iSmartGate Pro's waterproof door sensor. Although the pillbox-sized sensor is bigger compared to other wireless door sensors, its watertight seal comes in handy if you're mounting the iSmartGate to an outside gate or if you live in a humid area. The iSmartGate homepage has a control button and event log. The iSmartGate homepage has a control button and event log. Eric Chu, CNN. The iSmartGate has quirks like the app needing several seconds to connect to the hub every time you open it up, but after that you'll be taken to the app's homepage. Once there, you'll have quick access to a door control button and an event log that shows when it's been opened or closed. All of the iSmartGate's controls are hidden on its settings page, which leads to a little bit of clutter. The iSmartGate has standard features like multi-user support and door status push notifications alongside video and Ethernet adapter settings. We prefer the approach taken by competitors like Genie and MyQ with apps that keep the most important features front and center for users. At number 2, we have the Wyze Smart Garage Door Opener. The Wyze Cam V3 Garage Door Controller is one of the first controllers on the market to feature a security camera, allowing you to visually check to see whether your garage door is open or closed. It seems tailor-made for Amazon Key and Walmart Plus in-home delivery, but it doesn't work with either service, at least not yet. The installation process was much easier than the other wired controllers, as you don't need to run a wired door sensor to the garage door. Instead, the camera tells whether the door is open or closed by looking for a QR code that you stick to the door. If it sees the code, it knows the door is closed. If not, it knows the door is open. Simple, but effective. The app walked me through the whole installation and setup process, including calibrating the camera to recognize the QR code on the door. I found the whole process quite straightforward and easy. With setup complete, I was able to quickly and easily control the door from the Wyze app. The Wyze controller also works well with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, but the integrations only let you control the door, not view the camera. It's a weird omission, given that the camera, when purchased by itself, works perfectly with both systems. And that means that if you want to call up a video feed of your garage, you'll either need a second camera to do so or have to settle for viewing it in the Wyze app on your phone. And finally at number 1, we have the Skylink Adams ATR 1611C by Skylink 1/2 HPF Garage Door Opener. Skylink is a small yet reliable brand that sells home improvement and surveillance products. The brand's product catalog includes electrical light switches, security systems, networking hubs, and garage door openers. Skylink's garage door opener is designed for 7-inch tall doors. But, you can use it for doors up to 10 inches tall by connecting extension kits to it. You get 2 extension kits for controlling 8 inches and 10 inches garage doors along with this door opener. The DC motors operate quietly and you will not hear anything when the door opens or closes. The garage door opener starts slowly and gradually increases the speed while closing or opening the door. It also slows down before stopping. This operating mechanism reduces vibration and greatly increases the life of mechanical components. It has a built-in 12-watt LED light. So, you do not have to separately install any lights. You can also get a backup battery to continue operating the door opener in case of power cuts. It is compatible with BA100 batteries. For controlling the door opener, you can either use the wall-mounted keypad or the 3-button keychain remote. If there is any malfunction, you can easily troubleshoot it yourself even if you don't have any prior experience. There is a diagnostic display that shows there is a problem in the system and guides you on how to rectify it. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.